So might as well get ready for that. And might as well use this tractor for our trailer over here. Okay, so let's go. I haven't even looked at my anything else on my, looks like my timber is. So which field? We own quite a lot of fields. Which field is ready for me to harvest? I think I'm gonna go to the bigger ones first, because they're the ones that are gonna be, obviously, it's gonna take longer for me to work at. Now, I've been away from the game for a little bit, hence probably you noticed that my upload wasn't as often as what it used to be. So I was having a good old conversation to myself. Yeah, so I was saying how if in our last episode, it's been a couple of weeks since I've played the game. I've just been busy with other stuff, so yes, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you want to look at it, the game had to sort of be put on hold. Can I go back through here? No, I cannot. Okay. Yeah, I had to put the game on hold while I was dealing with other things that I had to deal in real life. So the game that Farming Simulator was sort of put on hold. I simply, normally I upload videos ahead, and yeah, that's what happened this time. So I got rid of the John Deere. I think it's because it had some issues with the header. With the header that I bought, which is this header right here, it could not carry it or something like that. But anyway, we will not dwell on that. So that was like I was saying before I turned the mic back on. Once we harvest all our fields, I will put seasons on. I've noticed in our last episode before, well, the last episode that I recorded, with Speedy Gonzalez, I noticed that Daggerwin and Chainsaw are playing with seasons. So obviously, if they're playing with seasons, we're going to play with seasons. Okay, we're going to cut you off. Okay. Cut you off. And let's have a look. I don't even remember. Is this the AI worker? Worker start with headlands. Sounds good to me. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? You got nothing to unload. So why are you putting out your auger as if you got something to unload? Okay. All right. We'll get a bit of a time lapse going, and I'll see how far we go. I may end up just doing a bit of time lapse on all our harvesting. And yeah, taking care of harvesting that way. think the game had an update because things are not working right. You can see it's not plowing the tire marks out, which normally they do. And the worker seems to be all brain dead. That generally happens after giants have an upgrade. The whole thing where giants do an upgrade and actually stuff it up more than actually fix it. So I don't know if you guys had that problem or is it just me? But normally, even in FS15 and 17 and 19, when you plow, the tires disappear. I mean, even in real life, when you plow, the tires disappear. Okay, I am subsoiling. In some maybe because I'm not using like a proper plow, it's doing that. In which case, it's more realistic, I suppose. I don't know. Did I download an app, a mod that's actually doing that? So, kind of interesting, if you ask me. Okay, so there's clearly a problem because as you've probably noticed, it's not even whenever you are plowing, like you can see, it's not even cleaning the tire tracks that are across. So you can say, yeah, but you know, it's not clearing the tracks from behind, but there is no excuse for not clearing them, the one that I went across, and then I clearly went over the tracks. There's no realism excuse there. So again, I think when I uploaded the game, there was a bit of a download content type of thing, and I'm pretty sure that means somewhere along the line there's been an update, and I always do this here. I don't think giants kind of do very good when it comes to updates, because every time they do updates to the game, something else doesn't work. So yeah, not the smartest thing, but anyway, such is life. Okay, what I'll do here is I'll just park you here somewhere, because I'm gonna have to sooner or later start loading Start loading some of this. Okay, where is my mower? There you are. Okay. Okay, we're gonna need to go and cut some of this grass that we have over here now. Once we deal with this grass that we have over here, I am going to make it all one field. I don't think it's the smartest thing to have grass, small grass next to small grass next to small grass. So, yeah. I will deal with this now, and then this is grass, right? Let's have a look. Grass, yes. This is ready to harvest, but this is being harvested. By whom? Somebody harvested my field. Not very good. Not very good at all. So we'll see what happens. We'll let him go and do his job, and then we'll see what happens afterwards. Let's go back to the combine. Hopefully he can make it till the end, so I don't have to drive on the crops. I find it a bit hardening. I find it a bit, weird that Giants has not made a combine like Horseplay in FS22. He knew that, when you're doing this, he would create a little bit of a buffer for you to go in, so you didn't have to go into the crop like I'm doing. It's a bit strange that they're not doing that. But anyway, so let's have a look at my production. Not sawmill that. Nothing to do with the corn. Wow, that's interesting. Nothing to do with corn. I would have thought they would at least do flour. So let's have a look while it's doing that. Production. Do we have anything to do with corn? Okay, this one does. So I can do. Okay. So what is this? Floor card. This one is transforming into different products. So I'm assuming that's some sort of. No, I don't like preserve. I downloaded some new ones. Is it at the bottom? Where are they? Maybe I didn't activate them. So I do have something that I can. Okay, let's get out of this. I can get our corn put into, other than just selling it as it is. So what I'll do is I'll go and empty the combine. Wow, empty the trailer. You can tell that I've been away from the game for a little while, so I'm getting them all mixed up. So we'll go and empty the trailer, despite the fact that we could technically put a bit more corn in it, but we won't do that because. Okay, so it's funny. This tractor's struggling with such. It's only 30,000 liters. So that's a bit strange. Okay, anyway, I'll go and empty the combine, and obviously I'll finish harvesting this particular field. And we'll see what happens after that. So have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.